Are you going to get the ducks? They're in the water.
Huh?
Are you going to run and get the ducks?
No, I can't sit there.
Oh, you can't get there? Oh.
Hey!
That's garbage. Put the garbage away.
Wait.
The gray one. Right there, yep. Nope, that's recycling. Right in there, yep.
This one.
It doesn't have a hole in the top. There you go. Okay, let's go see the rest of the park.
So windy.
It's so windy. What's over there? What's that? I'm coming. No? I don't know. Oh. Are you going to run? Where are you going to run? That's to mark where the valve to turn off the water is for the sprinkler. Yeah. More ducks. Look, more ducks. Okay, now where? Are you going to run over to the park?
What is this?
Yeah.